This is a project of ZAMIN Academy. For personalized one-on-one tutoring, contact us by clicking the link in the video's description or our bio.
Hello and welcome to ZAMIN Academy. In this video, I'll tell you that you can take admission in Harvard Business School. Yes, HBS, the prestigious institute of MBA and different studies in the US, is the admissions are open. The admissions were open, yes. The admission are about to close on the 6th of September, but you can still apply for the second term, which will end in probably the March. So simply I'll put the link below of the video and you can register yourself, as I have registered myself already. So I'll just simply log in and there you go. This is says that round one is from the last date is September the 6th, and for round two, the last date is January the 3rd. Let me tell you one thing, the IELTS and GRE is mandatory. Yes, you can either give GRE or GMAT, but IELTS is mandatory for anyone coming from a non-English speaking country. So better get them ready. The minimal score for IELTS is 7.5. Yes, if you don't believe me, well, I'm going to show you because I didn't even believe it myself. And the IELTS score must be 7.5. Yes, the IELTS score must be 7.5. It is appreciated by the admission board. Moreover, GMAT or GRE is mandatory. Yes, must fall. If you're applying for the round one, your GMAT or GRE test admission date must fall or on between September 6, 2018 and September 6, 2023. So you must have to give GRE as well for better positioning in this, because this is one of the prestigious institute in the world and they are giving waiver, application fee waiver, and for that to avail, you must have IELTS and GRE to better secure this position, and this can be sorted out by giving GRE and IELTS. So I told you before that IELTS requirement is 7.5, and for the GRE, you must possess the score marks between the specific dates that is mentioned below. So you will just start your application with the home, and then you will go to read the first, and simply you will just log in, and this is how your application is going to start. So you will need recommendation letter as well. Plus, I want to add this, you must have work experience as well of 24 months. Yes, you must have work experience of 24 months. That is actually greatly appreciated because they are accepting it from everyone. So you must be competitive in this, and you have to possess at least 24 months of employment before applying to this. The application fee waiver is available when you once mention your family or your own income. So I mentioned it below 100 because that is the case with me, and I get the admission application fee waiver. So best of luck for applying to the Harvard Business School. If you are interested in applying to this, you can apply for round one if you have the time. If you think you can apply it right now, because September 6th is the last date, and you can apply for the round two if you're considering giving your IELTS or GRE later on in this year. So good luck, and do comment below if you have any queries. I'll help you in that, and consider subscribing and joining the membership. Thank you so much for watching. Goodbye.
Thank you for watching. Book your free demo lecture now. For more free videos, support us by subscribing to this channel.